going on, everybody? This here is my 2017 Mark 7 Volkswagen Golf GTI, and I'm going to tell you guys a couple things about that you might not know. Now, just to point out, this is a GTI. It is not a Golf R. I was thinking about getting a Golf R, but it just was not worth it for the all-wheel drive and the front lip on the car for an extra $10,000. I could have got it, but you know what? I like the heritage of the GTI more than the Golf R. Now, we got this sweet red line running through the whole way through the front grille, just so you guys know that this is a race car. See, the GTI is in red on this one because this is what you would call a performance package, which is the only way to get your Golf GTI. It means that we got 10 extra ponies under the hood, red so that you know it and don't forget it. Now, this one in particular has got the old lighting package, which means I get a red line through here, just so you know I'm better than your non-performance package GTI. And I got the old LED headlights with Turntronic, so whenever I'm turning, I can see where I'm going. Now, moving on over here, you guys can see I got these big red brake calipers in here with the performance pack. Cost extra, and just so you know that the performance package is better than the non-regular GTIs. You guys can see that these wheels here are not like normal GTI wheels. They are not the Austin saw blades. These are actually off an Audi because this is an Audi under its skin. Now, moving on inside the car, I went with the old plaid seats. As you guys can see, I was gonna go full leather interior, but the heritage of the GTI does not let me do that. Now, also, you guys can see that I got a flat bottom on here, so whenever I'm going around autocrossing this bitch, my legs don't get hit by the steering wheel because I like it super low, super hard. I also got the manual transmission, which is more race car than a DSG. People like saying that they're more like Lamborghinis and R8s, but I disagree. I like banging gears in my race cars. So now let me show you guys the best part about a GTI. Now, this is a four-door, which some of you guys might say isn't like the original GTI, but I'm going to tell you why. 4 doors equals more. Now, this is the most important part of the GTI right here, the hatchback. Now, this is the main reason I did not get an Audi S3, S4, and S5, something like that, just because they do not have hatchbacks, and hatchbacks are better. Store more stuff back here, as you can see. Also, I have my Medic Magic sticker for my YouTube up here. That's so whenever you guys get gap, you know who I am. You can look me up, watch my videos, and see why you got gap. Let me show you guys underneath the hood where all the ponies live. Now, this is a TSI. You can see it says TSI right there, which stands for Totally Sweet Intake. That's where all the ponies go in. Also have this sweet Apr Intake, which some people might say is a little overpriced, but you know, $500 for a little plastic carbon fiber piece right here is very, very acceptable. Now, this bad boy is pushing about 350 wheel horsepower, so Apr claims it is stage 2 with the downpipe. That's for smoking all the STIs and the WRXs. Now, as you guys can see with the wheels again, some people might say that these things put off a lot of brake dust, but those people don't know it causes less friction on the wheels, so I'm gonna go faster. Now, back to the inside. You know, we got this nice touchscreen in here. Did not go with the full navigation just because I don't need it. I got the Apple Plays, so I can plug it in, put my navigation on right through there. Now, to the interior of this vehicle, basically Audi level for about $20,000 less dollars. The working man's Audi, as some people might say. Now, back to the old motor. As you guys know, this is an IS20 turbo, but you know, I'm thinking about going IS38. That's probably gonna be my next upgrade. Upgrades are gonna be IS38, dog bone, sway bars all around, big meaty tires, some lowering springs, probably some bags, some work 3-piece rims. Now, that little tick in there that you guys hear, that's perfectly normal. You know, my granddad used to say if you hear it sounds like a little guy's inside there trying to break his way out with a hammer, no good, don't buy it. Go ahead and shut this hood again. Now, this thing did pass emission, and this is not a TDI. So now you guys know everything about the Mark 7 GTI. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you click the subscribe button for more videos to come. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, drop me a comment, let me know what you're thinking, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.